Have you ever thrown away a plastic cup without thinking twice? What if I told you that same cup could grow your own food? Today, I'll show you how to turn a simple used plastic cup into a mini garden for growing tomatoes and chili. Reusing plastic cups is not just about saving money. It's about reducing waste and helping the environment. Instead of ending up in landfills or oceans, these cups can have a second life. They are lightweight, easy to find, and perfect for small space gardening. If you live in an apartment or don't have a backyard, this method is ideal. You can place them on a balcony, windowsill, or even indoors with enough sunlight. It's a simple step towards sustainable living, growing your own food while reducing plastic waste. First, take your used plastic cup and make sure it's clean. Rinse it thoroughly to remove any leftover drink or sugar. Next, this step is very important. Create drainage holes at the bottom of the cup. You can use a nail, scissors, or any pointed tool. Why is this important? Because plants don't like sitting in too much water. Without drainage, the roots can rot, and your plant may die. These small holes will allow excess water to escape and keep the soil healthy. Now, fill the cup with fertile humus soil. This type of soil is rich in nutrients and helps plants grow faster and stronger. Make sure the soil is loose and not too compact. Loose soil allows air and water to flow properly around the roots. Fill the cup almost to the top, but leave a little space so water doesn't overflow when you water the plant. Next, take your tomato or chili seedling from a small poly bag. Gently remove it, being careful not to damage the roots. Make a small hole in the center of the soil in your cup. Place the seedling inside, then cover the roots with soil and press lightly to keep it stable. Make sure the plant stands upright and secure. Finally, water the plant gently. Don't pour too much, just enough to make the soil moist. Place the cup in a spot with good sunlight. In just a few days, you'll start to see new growth. From something you would normally throw away, you've created a simple, sustainable way to grow your own food. So next time you finish a drink, don't throw the cup away. Turn it into life.